What's up everyone, here I'm back again. This video is a part 2 for the video that I started last week. It's regarding how to generate a barcode in Canada. Like if you are in Canada, you're using the GS1 Canada website to generate your own company or your business barcodes. So if you didn't see my first video, please go back and start from the first video. It's not that long video, so I hope you start from that one if you didn't watch it. Okay, so last week we generate a barcode for two sizes, for small and large size of girls sweater, and these are the barcodes over here. So today what we do is register these barcodes on GS1 Canada website. By saying that, it means once you generate your barcode, you need to register. You attach with the number, you have to attach what the item is. For example, this barcode represents a small size girl's sweater, so we have to attach those information on the number. So I'm going to show you today how we do that. Okay, so we're gonna go to GS1 Canada website. So this is the home page. What we do is we go and click ProSync. And once we come to this page, what we do is we add a product. So we click the plus sign here and you will see this page. You just say close. So it's asking us what is the global classification. So to know what classification we should use, we click this button here, link, where I'm selling clothes. So I go here, again, click this one, and it's upper body. And I'm selling a sweater. So I click on the sweaters, and this is the code that I need for my sweaters. So I click this one. And the next one is the classification ECC, and I click this link again, and it's children clothes. So I click the first one here, and this is for girls. So this is girls wear. Click that one, so it generates the code for me. And I'm selling individual items, so I will be choosing this one. If you are sending like a pallet, it will be different for you. For me, I'm selling individual items, so I will be clicking this one, add. So it's asking me to enter the barcode over here. GTIN is the barcode that we generate on the other video. If you want to see, you have to go back and see the video that I released last week. Okay, let's go to our spreadsheet, and here we're gonna be start working on the small size girls black coat. So we will be using this barcode and attach all this information on the girls black coat. So let's go ahead to the home page. You come here and you click on the ProSync. When you click on the ProSync, it will bring you to this page. Once you get on this page, you will see the add products plus button over here. So you click the plus button and it will bring you to this page. Once you get this page, it will ask you to fill up information. No problem. So this link will guide you what to insert, what kind of code you're gonna be inserting there. So let's go click this link to find out what global classification we should be using. In my case, I'm selling clothing, so I go to this section and I'll look for the exact clothes I will be selling. It's a jacket or a coat that I'm selling. Okay, so I'll just go and pick this one. And for the ECC net classification as well, I'll come here and I'll click the apparel. For you might be different, in your case might be different, electronics, other stuff like food, anything, you go and pick those ones. For me, I'll be staying here and I'm selling girls wear, so I'll click this one. So that's it, I got the code. So the next one will be, it's asking you what kind of product you're selling. In my case, I'm selling individual products, so I'm gonna be picking the consumer base because I'm on this one. You might be on this level or this level or this level. It's up to you to pick which one you want. For me, it's individual product, so I click this one, and once you click this one, you will find this pop-up, like it's asking you what is the barcode. GTIN represents a barcode, so we come here and insert the barcode we created for the small size, and we click save and next. So it will bring you to this page. So on this page you can click on the mandatory only if you don't want to record all information. So I click on that one for me. So as you see, everything that I inserted already popped up over here on this page. So product type, you just click here and you pick whichever. Mine is, as I said earlier, it is consumer base or something, and it will ask you like channel of distribution. If you want to add more information about your product, you can go ahead and write all this information. So the one you see with the red asterisk, those ones, they have to be inserted. They are mandatory. So we're just gonna go ahead and insert all that information, the brand name of your company, and also you have to do it in French as well. If you are in Canada, it is a must. And also product description, you have to insert like a small letter, da da da. If your product is differentiated with color, size or something, you have to insert all that information in there. And once you finish all those description inserted here, you just click approve and your item will pop out. So once you finish that step, that means your barcode is generated and it's good to go. And right away, like less than 10 minutes, it will be approved and you can start using it. I hope you learned something from this video, and thank you for watching. And if you learned something, please like and share. Thank you.